Alrighty, loves, this is transforming my garage into an office part 2. So that was it before. This is where we left off. So let's begin. That hurt my teeth. Can you close the door? Yeah. So update, babe. What have you done?
What do you mean? I'm just putting the backing so it can hold the insulation. The insulation is in the trunk. So after I put this, then we're gonna lift it, like all of us. I'll get in the middle and from the sides, you and Andrew, and we're just gonna lift it up. And then I'm gonna hold it with these things that I put on there. So I'm just gonna screw it onto those. And I was thinking about putting 2 more in the corner right there.
So we're doing what he just said, and oh my goodness, you guys, this took a lot of muscle. Look at me, and then look at my baby Andrew. He's so grown, you guys. I get so emotional watching over the clips because I'm like, damn, we did that as a family. That's crazy. And it's just gonna make this space even just more like, oh my god, like more grateful for it. You know, my baby was involved, my husband was involved, so we put it up mostly for Andrew, and this is how it looks. It looks amazing. So crazy.
So where are we gonna put the outlets?
Here would be perfect.
Okay. And then the other one, you think it don't matter how high, how low? Do I put this one low? Do I put one in the middle?
Put one low. Yep.
TV goes there.
Put one low and then one in the middle.
Because like I put another support, and right there in the middle, like I'm just gonna get more wood and put it in there. And like you see how it touches right there?
Yeah.
Right there's where I need to anchor it. But now that I can go up there and see with the ladder, like, okay, like now I'm not worried about it. Because when I was like looking up, I was like, I just got that one, how am I gonna get up there? But like, and I thought it was gonna be way down lower, so it's like, how am I gonna reach? But with it being right there, like I'm gonna do it quick. And I had my AirPod in. When I was
almost fell.
It fell in there. I was like, I was able to get it out. Final destination.
Oh. Okay.
So yeah, I'm just gonna anchor that piece. Like the sides are anchored.
Yeah.
Anchor that one, and then on the side I'm gonna put like some more wood right here. And I'll bring it out flush right here so I can grab onto the sheetrock when I put it in.
Yeah.
And then just also just so I can anchor into that too.
Nice.
Since it's a semi-permanent wall, it's not like we're gonna leave it there for like life.
Yeah.
Like I don't know how long.
Yeah.
I'll just do like 2 on the bottom, just with the ram setter thingy. Shoot them in, and then with the support on the sides and the ones in the back. And then from right here, I'm gonna. This one, do you want me to switch it? Do you want a white one? What do you want there? Because it's like that ugly color. You know what
Probably
I mean?
white.
White. And then I'm gonna run the cables. What outlets do you want? I'm gonna add 2 more over here also for the appliances, so that if we want like a microwave, a coffee pot, whatever over here, we can put that here. I'm gonna put, I was thinking like a basic one like this.
Yeah.
Down here. And a basic one like this over there for the treadmill, right?
Oh, okay.
Treadmill's probably gonna be around this area, so either there.
Yeah.
So these 2 are
Spoken
for there.
for.
And then this one you said white. It's
Yeah.
a basic one for up there also.
Yeah.
And then I got these, and I got 2 black ones like this coming in.
Oh, nice.
I just don't know what ones you want, what kind of covers. Like, do you want just these ones will go for those. If you don't want screws to show, there's these that are like no screws showing.
This one?
That one? That one where?
Right there.
On the bottom by your side? On the bottom by your side? Okay.
Yeah.
White. And do I get another white one?
Yeah, so that we could be matching.
I get another white one?
Yeah.
Put it on that side.
So I'm on my way to the gym right now. I haven't been going to the gym. I've been working out at home for like a straight week because me and the babe are doing renovations to like the garage, the house and everything. So I'm about to sweat my culo off and get it because it's been a minute. I was gonna go to sleep right now. I was like, you know what, go to the gym. Go to the gym. It's Monday. It always feels cooler, better when it's a Monday. Eche la ganas. Let's get it. I wanted to record this moment because my baby didn't even need to be told or like anything. Why is it so packed with? He's out there scraping the windows. I didn't even tell him. It's just because he's seen his daddy do it. So he's like, I gotta do this for my mama. So Noah has a dentist appointment today that he's gonna get some dental work done. And we're on our way right now. Noah, how do you feel about it? You excited? Good. There you go. Right.
I'm going to run the, what is it called? Romex cable. I was professional here. But yeah, I'm just gonna run the cable for the wiring. Especially because like Jad, this is like the last one.
Shit.
Tell it to go in. Did it come out in the other hole? Check the other hoyito.
I don't see it yet.
What?
Yeah.
You don't see it yet?
No.
It's a long stick.
I don't see it yet.
You're not looking.
Do you see it?
Yeah, I see it, bro.
Wait, let me see. Oh.
Yeah. Because like I'm thinking now to myself like, I didn't have to cut this hole because this hole, you see these holes? Mm-hmm. Here's the stair, not the stair, but like the ceiling joist.
Yeah.
So I have to drill from here to here, and to here, and to here. So I just wanted to like get in here to run the wire from here.
Yeah.
Right? Because like right there is where I'm getting the power for these ones. And then I just see that white cable and I'm like, oh my God. But that one doesn't have the switch. That one's just power. And it's powering that out right over there. But I was like, oh my God. Tell me that I did not have to. All this extra work that I just did. I already ran the cable down there. I already ran these cables. I got the cable from over here. This cable over. Son of a bitch, what is this cable? Just came.
Oh my God.
This one, and this one. And I'm gonna tie them all together. It's not good. Pull it, pull it. Oh, that's so beautiful. Girl, pull it my way. Imagine you pull it like.
Oh my God.
You did turn off the electricity, right?
No. What the?
I did shock myself a couple of times.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Like it's like.
Stupid.
Dude, like I didn't want to go all the way and turn off the power.
Are you kidding me, Rudy?
But just like with the outlets, when I was installing different outlets, I'm like, whatever. Like I'm just checking it. But like there would be times where like my finger would slip and touch the wires. It's just like, I don't know, it's not that
A love tap?
Yeah, it's really. And I don't know if this is how you do it, but this is how I do it.
TikTok,
Let me show me how to do it. What?
You're. Oh my God. So stupid.
You act like someone slapped this shit out.
Cause I didn't see it coming. It hit my lip. It's like, what the?
Check out these little waffle wafer lights. Cool, huh? What do you think about the bathroom? Should I put some of these in the bathroom?
I think that'd be really cool.
The little ones that we have?
Yeah.
Two big ones, 6 inch.
Way cool.
These are 6 inches and they got this like gasket? This little thingy right here. That makes it so it's like a barrier for the moisture and stuff like that. So like you can put them in the bathroom.
Oh, why are you taking it off then?
That's for the bathroom. This is for the garage.
Oh, okay.
You don't know how to act. Like I'm like asking for something.
Cute. They're growing longer, you guys. It's because like my nails grow super fast. So like I already have grown out a lot.
The more you get them done, the more you'll know how to do stuff. You know?
See?
You'll be like, okay. You'll use them. You know, like you could have put like one on each fingertip and just pass them like that or something. Like I don't know. All of these wires in this little box. So I'm just gonna cut a separate little thing to run from here to here. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. You get it. You know the vibes. So, or who knows? You know, it might be. Who knows? Maybe they're like, oh yeah, that's completely right.
That is cool.
these little things. So it's like even if you have like a little bit of space, like these things like hold it up there, you know. Just don't let it like come back and hit you. Like, dude, man, you like a couple fucking putazos. Like,
Really?
yeah, like look, like my finger right here, how it's all cut. It's from that spring thing coming back. Pop.
Oh.
Last knee, man. It's like, that's just not happening again. Jam it in there, you know. Just give it a snug ass.
So now babe is moving on to this part. This is what's going to help the garage stay warm and not cold because we live in Utah in the winter. It is freezing, you guys, like 27, 24, and it gets cold. So this is going to help keep the garage warm so we can work out, record, edit, all that good stuff. So let's get to it.
You know where I saw this? On TikTok.
Really?
Yeah. Like it just popped up. Not this whole thing. Like this whole thing is like my thing.
Yeah.
But in different videos. So in one video I seen like, hey, to make it easier on the ground with spray paint, mark it so that you know where to cut every time. And I was like, okay, cool, that might be useful, right? So I kept that. Then another one, different day popped up about how to cut it, and I was like, what? Like I hadn't even thought about how to cut it.
Yeah.
Which like somebody was like, hey, there's gotta be an easier way. How do you cut this, blah, blah, blah. And like somebody was like, you just grab a 2x4, press it down, you know. Like you squish it, press it down. Cause like he was doing it like multiple times. And I guess like with this, like I've never done it before the, other than this way, cause like this is my first time, but I guess like for me, it's been pretty easy just like to, except this blade is kind of dull, but just like cut it this way, you know? And then I just use the 2x4 to get the measurement of like what it should be. And then the plywood underneath so I don't like cut anything else. And then, like I don't know if that's like a thing, like that's how you do it, because like it stays in there pretty good. I'm not just like opening stuff right now.
So voila, all done. It looks so freaking awesome. I'm so proud of him. He seriously is amazing. Like babe put in so much work. It's awesome. Look at my Andrew. So he then put up the sheetrock. I was recording a story time, so I didn't get to record this part, but he put in the sheetrock. It looks awesome. Like you can already see a huge change. So now he is priming the wall, and even this, it's like, holy, there's so much change already. So I had originally filmed this, but the audio was too low, so I'm just gonna do a voiceover. So right here, I'm just picking what kind of gray I want to have in the garage. So I'm just going over different grays. There's different undertones. There's like green, there's like blue, there's a bunch of different kind of undertones, and I wanted something to pop with the wood floor that I will be picking. You see, Jade, she just straight up jacked that. So I'm just going over the colors right now. So I wanted to give you guys an overview again of just how everything looks, the lights, everything. Like I cannot believe this is the same garage. Like it trips me out. Everything, the lights, it's such a huge difference. It seriously just blows my mind. So I'm just showing you guys, giving you guys like a full tour of it, of how it looks now, just because remember how packed it was of stuff. So you guys can just see the difference. Like holy moly, this is the same garage. That is so crazy. I cannot believe that babe is going to turn this into something freaking amazing. And you guys are just going to be like, wow. So babe's just going over it again with like the primer before we add the color. So I wanted to add this in here because it looks so freaking cool. And I didn't want to just skip to it, but he's just going over, priming it, doing his little like technique. And then this is how it looks after he primed it. Again, I'm giving you guys the full like tour of like, this is how it looks. This is how everything is. Like even like this, it would have been perfect. It would have been great. Okay. Nice. I love it. Like it's such a huge difference, but I'm telling you, like he keeps just doing better and doing better. And it's just so much. So this is it so far. Look at it. Him and Jade are just going over it. He's just inspecting it. And I'm just the whole time just like, wow, in awe of it. So we finally decided on a color. So now he's going to get to painting the room to this pretty color. I love this color so freaking much. I really love how it just pops with the wood floor, and it just looks amazing. Like, look at it, you guys. Oh, this is so relaxing. Just, I know it sounds bad to see him do it, but it is. It's really relaxing to see him just do it. And I don't know. I love him when my husband does like manly stuff. It just, wow. He's amazing. He's awesome. And this is it after. After it's painted, he put in the new like outlets and stuff. Look at it. The lights. You can't even tell. That is the same garage. I know I keep saying it, but it's seriously just mind blown. So right here is the wood. He's asking me how I want it to be laid out. If I want it to be laid out this way, or if I wanted it to be this way. So he had sent me to Lowe's and told me like, babe, pick whatever wood you want. This is the one that I wanted. So he's going to now be adding the wood. So again, I'm just showing you guys before it all just changes into something beautiful. And here's babe laying down the wood. And he is like, I know people think like, oh, it's easy, but no, like he's doing it a certain way so that it doesn't have like a repeated pattern, and like, you know, the same ones aren't overlapping or anything like that. Like he's paying attention to detail, and it is just, I'm just in awe of him. I'm in awe of him all the time, but when I see him do things like this, I'm just like, oh my God, you're so amazing. Like, wow. Okay, you guys, so now we are moving this stuff to the beauty room, and I'm excited. I cannot wait. We're gonna go through some things. I really wanted to show you guys all the bags and everything right now, but we can't have time because Babe was like, we gotta go. You're moving it ahora, so we're gonna do it. All right, here comes the shore. So I have like a bunch of concealers in here, things that I have not even used in a while. I got like a rock in here. Like, what's going on, Jade? And I'm just going to just see, this is one of my first concealers that I reviewed, Sentimental, but I need to just let go of some stuff. So I will be doing a separate video, me decluttering everything. So Babe just told me move everything into the garage, and then, you know, start decluttering it so we can just hurry and get things moving and get things going. So that's what we will be doing. So the whole family is just helping me get everything out of this room into the new room. So yeah. So look, you guys, it's freaking done. The wood is done. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What a huge transformation. Like, my man did that. Like, my husband, my love, my best friend, my everything. He freaking did that. Look at the wood. Like, all of it. It just, I'm just, the whole time I kept showing my grandma, my mom, my brothers. I'm like, look, 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 look. Like, this is a before. Look at all of this, you guys. All of this. Like, people ask, like, how did you let it get like that? It just happens. Like, little by little, you just start adding stuff. Like, oh, I'm going to get to it. And then it just starts to accumulate. And having such a huge family, it happens, I see. But before, look at all this stuff, all of it. And then the after is just, I'm mind blown. Like, wow, he really did that. It does not look like the same room. It looks 100 times better. And I seriously am just, wow. Like, wow. It is so beautiful, you guys. He did such an amazing job. And there's still more to come for you guys to see. So I will be ending it here. And then part 3 is going to be the final reveal and showing you guys like me decluttering, all that good stuff. So stay tuned, turn on your notifications, make sure you guys are subscribed, like the video if you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Te quiero mucho, you guys. Besos a todos. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.